The 1954 Triumph TR2 was a notable British sports car produced by the Triumph Motor Company between 1953 and 1955. It featured a 1991 cubic centimeters inline-four cylinder engine, generating 90 brake horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 117 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM. The engine, modified from the Triumph renowned saloon, had a 7.5 to 1 compression ratio and used two semi-downdraft Solex carburetors, along with a high-lift camshaft and a free-flow exhaust manifold. This setup allowed the TR2 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 13.7 seconds, reaching a top speed of 107 miles per hour. The Triumph TR2 also boasted a well-engineered suspension system. Its independent front suspension utilized double wishbones and coil springs, while the rear was equipped with a solid axle and semi-elliptic leaf springs. This combination provided a balance of handling and comfort, contributing to the car's reputation as a competitive and reliable sports roadster of its era. The TR2 was equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a non-synchromesh first gear. An optional overdrive unit was available, which allowed for more relaxed cruising at high speeds, enhancing the driving experience on longer journeys. In terms of dimensions, the TR2 had a wheelbase of 88 inches and an overall length of 151 inches. The car was 55.5 inches wide and 50 inches tall, with a curb weight of 1,980 pounds. The two-seater Roadster featured a steel body mounted on a separate chassis frame, providing a robust and durable structure for the vehicle. It featured a braking system with Girling hydraulic drums at the front and Bendix mechanical drums at the rear. This combination provided effective stopping power for the lightweight sports car, ensuring reliable braking performance. Triumph produced a total of 8,636 of the TR2s from 1953 to 1955, with 5,521 units exported. In 1955, the TR2 received minor updates, including larger front brakes and a slightly higher compression ratio, enhancing its performance and safety. The TR2 was succeeded by the TR3 in 1955. The TR3 featured a more powerful engine, improved brakes, and full-width bodywork, building on the strengths of the TR2 while introducing advancements in performance and design. TR2 was a significant model for the British automaker, marking the company's entry into the sports car market and establishing the TR lineage that would continue for decades. Praised for its agile handling, responsive steering, and affordable pricing, the TR2 became a popular choice among enthusiasts and racers alike. The TR2's success paved the way for future Triumph sports cars, including the TR3, TR4, TR5, TR6, and the iconic TR7 and TR8 models. Its simple yet robust design and classic British roadster styling have made it a highly sought-after collector's item among classic car enthusiasts. In summary, the 1954 Triumph TR2 was a groundbreaking sports car that combined performance, affordability, and timeless styling, cementing Triumph's reputation as a leading manufacturer of sports cars and establishing a legacy that continues to this day.